wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best Ratchet tie-downs. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Made especially for transporting motorcycles, these Rhino USA straps feature coated ratchet handles and S-hooks to protect your bike or ATV from scratches. They're equipped with 2 soft loops designed to attach to the handlebars without damaging them. They come with a 100% money-back guarantee and a 5,208-pound braking strength. However, the ratchet mechanism can be finicky. At number 9, the cargobuckle G3 are retractable models that can make the process of anchoring your gear a whole lot faster and easier. Each unit can be permanently mounted with 1 bolt on a trailer or truck bed, so all you have to do is hook up and go. They come in a pack of 2 with a high load capacity, but the plastic on the handles tends to crack. Coming in at number 8 in our list, tangled and cumbersome straps can be a thing of the past with the Reese Carry Power Retractable, which rewind at the push of a button into a neat and compact roll for easy storage and handling. The mechanism allows you to control the tension, ensuring a snug fit. These are great for use on marine equipment and sport a sleek black color. However, their retraction fails over time. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Ratchet tie-downs, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Masterlock 3057 DAT may seem fairly basic at first glance, but don't let their simple design fool you. These are extremely durable pieces that are made for the most demanding of cargo, as evidenced by the large S-hooks, which have retaining clips for security. They come with overmolded grips for comfort and an 1,100-pound working capacity. They measure 1 inch wide by 10 feet long. Moving up our list to number 6. It's not every day that you need to transport a car, but when you do, this Vulcan axle combo kit has you covered. Perfect for commercial towers, the straps feature tough pads on the inside of their loopholes to prevent wear and tear. The latches are spring-loaded, and these meet or exceed all DOT regulations, but this kit is more expensive than basic models. Halfway up our list at number 5. At 1.5 inches wide, the Fortem Heavy Duty can secure loads of up to 2,250 pounds, making them a good option for most hauling needs. They feature weather-resistant J-hooks and rubber-coated handles that make them more comfortable to use than some other options. These include a zippered carrying case and won't accidentally release. They're a generous 15 feet long. At number 4, while many models have mechanisms that are small and uncomfortable to use, the powertye ergonomic incorporate large contoured handles and release levers that are easy on the hands. The straps are reinforced with security stitching to give you peace of mind. These come in black or orange with extra wide hook openings. They're available in 3 colors. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Erickson 04418 Pro Series keep any extra length housed in the middle of the unit, protecting the material from the wind and weather, which results in a longer lifespan. They come in a nifty reusable storage bag with a zipper. These are retractable for ease of use and have no kickback on rewind. They're made by an industry-leading company. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Ratchet tie-downs, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the seculok Heavy Duty are industrial-grade units capable of withstanding up to a whopping 10,000 pounds of pressure before braking. The straps are 2 inches wide for dependable strength and are fitted with tough steel J-hooks. These are great value for the price and come in a bright yellow for easy visibility. They're simple to operate. And coming in at number 1 on our list. Few options offer more bang for your buck than this Augo 4-pack, which comes with enough equipment to secure a whole family's worth of belongings. Optional soft loops, when used in tandem with the tie-downs, help protect your vehicle from damage. The included instructions are helpful and is good value for the price. It's a very versatile design. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Ratchet tie-downs, or simply click beneath this video.